Good day, this is Teacher Carmi, and for today, we will talk about Lesson 2 of your Self-Learning module. Let's have this. What is the title of our next lesson? Alright, the title is all about classify the types of appropriate cleaning tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. So let's talk about the most essential learning competency that you should acquire from this lesson. So you have to maintain appropriate tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Let us have this one. What is the importance of cleaning? Why do we need to clean? Alright, so let us answer this question. The primary objective of cleaning and sanitizing food contact surfaces is to remove the source of bacteria to grow and kill those bacteria that are present which could harm humans' health. Also, consider the necessary tools, materials, and equipment in cleaning and sanitizing. Cleaning tools and equipment must also be clean and stored in a clean and sanitary manner. So what is the importance again of cleaning and sanitizing? Okay, cleaning and sanitizing procedure have a vital role in sanitary program. Therefore, you should have enough time, outline appropriate procedures and framework should be given into consideration. So for today, we will talk about the types of cleaning tools and equipment. Okay, the first tool or cleaning tool is the broom. It is very common in our own houses. So broom is a cleaning implement. When you say implement, it is a tool. You don't need to use electricity to use it. For sweeping, made of a bundle of straws or twigs attached to a long handle. Next is the dustpan. It is very popular and common. A cleaning tool commonly used to scoop the dirt and water on the floor. Next, of course, is the vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is an electrical apparatus, so it is an equipment that by means of suction collects dust and small particles from floors and other surfaces. Next is the floor buffer, an electric appliance, so it is an equipment that is used to clean and maintain non-carpeted floors such as hardwood, marble, tiles, or linoleum, also known as the floor polisher. Next is the water hose. It's a flexible tube used to convey water. There are several common attachments available for the end of the hose, such as sprayers and sprinklers, which are used to concentrate water at one point or to spread it over a large area. Next is the bucket or pail, a roughly cylindrical open container, typically made of metal or plastic with a handle. It is used to hold and carry liquids or other material. We also need to use the dipper or tabo for cleaning as well. Next is the cobwebber. It is used for reaching and sweeping a floor, stairwell, ceiling corners, and other high areas without a stool. So without the use of small chairs, you can actually reach the high areas for cleaning. Next is the sponge. Of course, we commonly use it for washing the dishes, But of course, it is characterized by readily absorbing water and becoming soft when wet while retaining toughness used in bathing, wiping, or cleaning surfaces. So if you use it in wiping or cleaning surfaces, it is very advisable. Next is the dishcloth. It is used in the kitchen to dry dishes and other surfaces. Typically, they are made of cotton and other cloth, such as microfiber, and measure 11 inches to 13 inches square. Next is the cleaning cloth. It is used to wipe the cleaning tools and equipment. Sometimes it is also used to dry the plates, glass, and other utensils. Okay, so this is your activity 1 in your self-learning material. So first, in your self-learning material, you have to answer the pre-test and the assessment. Of course, you have also the activity 1. So you have to rearrange the following steps, write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So this is the proper dishwashing of tools. So you have to write A for the first step, B for the second step, C for the third step, D for the fourth step, and E for the last step. That is your activity 1. So next is activity 2. The direction, you have to make a paragraph about the importance of having cleaning tools and equipment in your kitchen at home. You have to write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So this is your enrichment activity. So you have or why you have to explain in you have to explain and use 250 words for this. So why do we need to disinfect our kitchen tools and equipment, and why is it important? So you have to write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So reminder again, you should always put your name, section, and week corresponds to your answers. Don't forget to ask questions through sending personal message using FB Messenger to your teacher for clarification and other inquiries. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.